Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is I was wondering and I was thinking over and over again and again, and I thought and I came up to a conclusion, and that is that I'll share the conclusion with you and my research as well. I was hoping that AI will not replace human editors. Editors, as in the people who edit your content. It doesn't matter whether it's AI generated content or human written content. You need an editor to edit everything out and provide a humanistic touch. I turned on the search section on Quen and Quen searched for various articles on the internet and summarized it for me. And it has reached up to a conclusion that AI will not replace human editors. That's a good sign and promising news. Content and copywriters just need to evolve themselves into something better, or they need to evolve into an AI strategist. An AI strategist will refine output, auditing bias, crafting personalized stories, and guiding hybrid workflows. These personalized stories are personal narratives. When you're in a situation in which you have to market yourself as a brand, then crafting personalized stories is extremely important and necessary. The other point is that there are some high demand fields. Like in legal, you cannot use AI generated content in legal. Medical and academic sectors need human precision. Creative industries crave originality. You need a creative person, no matter, it doesn't matter whether AI advances or not. The creativity of a human is something that is remarkable and is not achievable by simple AI. Then you need to upskill and thrive. You just need to research more on the topics that are on your screen. For example, learn AI tools like prompt engineering, analytics to boost efficiency while safeguarding quality plus ethics. I've been writing for over 10 to 15 years, and this has enabled me to write amazing prompts that generate an outcome or output that is really professional, and it's really something that I'm looking for. So my writing capability has enabled me to write better prompts. Although I'm not a prompt engineer, but my prompts are excellent. When we talk about the capability that this writing ability has provided me with, so this can be categorized as an unfair advantage. Hybrid future wins. AI is equals to speed. Humans is equals to soul. Together, unstoppable. Think faster draft. Emotionally resonant, flawless final content. You have to amalgamate, mix everything up. There is always going to be a human who's going to make the final decision about the content that will proceed and reach a next step, or the final product, or reach a final position that will be presented to the audience. So to revise everything up, AI will not replace human editors. Content and copywriters just need to evolve. And high in demand fields, for example, legal and medical and academic sectors, they will need a human's touch or human editors. You need to upskill to thrive, and hybrid future wins. So these were a few points that I wanted to add to the 6 part writing series in Pakistan. So I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.